Welcome. Take a moment and just be present. Be here. Experience the new day. Experience the present moment. We're going to begin by sharing a message from a raccoon. All around you are beings of creation, channeled by Source. Forgetting who you are is the only thing that can fully disconnect you from Source for some periods of time. As soon as you remember, you naturally reconnect. Let go of false ideas that people have projected onto you. This is taught in day-to-day life. There's much you need to unlearn and relearn to connect to nature. Nature is not wild. Nature is free, and you are naturally a being of nature. Now for a message from an earthworm. Allow for peace to take over your being while completing each task that you bring yourself to do on a daily basis. Be fully there. There is no task that needs to be disliked. It is just a task that needs to be understood. And if something doesn't resonate with you, allow for you to do it in a way that does. And then allow for yourself to release that task and connect to something that resonates with you deeper. Message from a cosmic egg. Life itself is a cosmic egg, constantly unraveling, unfolding, creating, letting go, transforming. There is no destroying. Anything that appears as destruction is a transformation, so be open to what this transformation may be. Don't hold on to anything too tight for too long. Allow yourself to really absorb. Allow yourself to be in the flow of every moment of every day of creation, herself, itself, himself, all self. As you are channeled of a creator being, you are a creator being. As you are a source incarnated, you are able to tap in and create who you are as you are source. Anything that is created by some. And this some is you. You are the one who was created and you are the one who creates. But it's reawakening the self and releasing all the traits that you've picked up as lessons to learn how to let go of. Spider. There's nothing to fear in this world. There's just things that are misunderstood. The more that you work to connect deep within you, the easier it is to release misunderstandings and to come back to source. You are naturally a being of light. You are naturally a being of love. You are naturally in harmony. But you must understand the light that is within. To understand it, you must let go. The art of surrender is the art of connecting to enlightenment. Nothing is permanent as everything transforms. The idea of permanence is one that is fleeting, and it can create attachment. Any attachment that you receive in this life can create many issues for you moving forward. So release this attachment and come back to your center. Understand who you are, where you are going, the source. Expand yourself in each direction and every which way. Create a web of understanding around you, and you shall know peace. Cobra. Life is quite still. Yes, there is movement in all, as movement is creation and creation is love. But life is very still. When you are present, you see the movement, but you do not absorb the movement. You are just here, and when you are just here, you are able to enter the space of everything, nothing, all at once, because everything is nothing, nothing is everything. But you're able to not just hear these words and interpret them, but you're able to actually feel them. Feeling words is understanding. Just hearing is analytical thoughts. It's like a memory bank, like a human technology, like a computer. The computer is not enlightened even if you have very enlightened information kept in it, because the computer does not feel. And the final message for this morning that shall be shared is from a firefly. You are a being of creation, so create. You have the power and ability to do so. Use it wisely. Tap into your gifts in a peaceful manner and be the love the world needs to experience and embrace in this world. Peace is you. Alove. I hope that you enjoyed this message of the day and find peace in daily life and learn how to let go. Learn how to be free. You're naturally a being of freedom. You just need to absorb yourself and reconnect. Alove.